All right, so I have before you hopefully some Dimple locks. Not only Dimple locks, but they're I think TSA and I this is the first time I'm ever picking a Dimple lock. What do you want? Huh? Yeah. Oh, it's okay. Alright, so first time picking a Dimple lock. Oh man, these things are tiny. Alright, I wasn't expecting that. That's kind of a bummer. A little windy here. Probably hear that. Okay, no idea. The only thing I have to pick with is a Dimple Rake. So let's oh boy. Yep. Oh, sorry. I have no idea what I'm doing. But it shows 006. Okay. I think I heard of that. I've watched maybe 5 videos on dimple picking. Let me see here. Alright, definitely wants to go to the right. Wow, that thing's chinsy. Whew, really chinsy. Alright. Let's see if we can make this happen. I have no idea what I'm doing. Just thought it'd be fun to get my first dimple. Oh, and I got it. Ha! No way. First time picking a dimple lock. Dimple Rake. Popped it open. Pretty crazy, huh? Let's see, can I do this other one quick? Got like under a minute to do it. Let's see here. Come on. Probably won't be able to do this one right. Wants to go. Oh, there we go. Hat. So funny. I would say the Dimple Rake works pretty good, wouldn't you think? Not that these are probably hard locks, but considering I've never done it before, I'm thinking not too shabby.